Hello students, Standard 6th, English 1.7, Paramveer Chakra, Our Heroes. You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. Here legendary means very famous and admired. Extraordinary means very special. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their lives for our safety. Their brave deeds, means actions, are honored by bestowing military decorations on them. Here bestowing means presenting. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy. Valor means here bravery. Whether on land, at sea or in the air. The Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor. So far, it has been awarded only 21 times. 14 of these awards were given posthumously. Posthumously means after a person's death. Let us learn something more about this medal. The medal itself is a very simple in appearance. It is made of bronze and is fitted with swivel mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. On the obverse reverse side, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between them. Here, engraved means design on a surface which is hard. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. She was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth.